Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a signature in Google Docs on your PC step by step. Adding a signature to a document is a quick and easy way to sign forms, letters, or other files without printing them. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. Open the document where you want to insert your signature. Next, click where you want the signature to appear in the document. Now, click the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing, then click New. A drawing window will open. At the top of the window, click the Line tool. From the drop-down menu, select Scribble. Now use your mouse or touchpad to draw your signature inside the drawing area. If you're not happy with it, you can simply try again until it looks the way you want. Once you've created your signature, you can customize it if needed. Use the toolbar at the top to change the line color, adjust the line thickness, or make other edits. When you're satisfied with your signature, click Save and Close. Your signature will now be inserted into the Google Docs document. To resize it, click on the signature and drag one of the corner handles. If you want to move it to a different position, click on the signature and choose a text wrapping option such as Wrap Text or In Front of Text, then drag it to the desired location. Once everything looks good, your document is ready to save or share. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a signature in Google Docs on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.